Hauora. I'm Trudy Thompson. I am the Te Waipounmau coordinator for Ora Hauora. I've been lucky enough to be in this role for 10 years. So the career expos are often the first time that we meet with our rangatahi, and so it's about building relationships. It's also about helping them make good subject choices and making a plan for the future. The careers expos are really important to start that process of us working together as a team and helping support students into careers in health and looking at those study pathways.
Ora Hauora taught me, they helped me out with my subjects that I could possibly take in order to achieve what I wanted, where I want to be, because I want to be an orthodontist.
Ora Hauora has helped me a lot because I've actually been on one of their courses. We ran through the hospital and what they do there, which is stuff like chemistry and physio stuff. They've brought in people that have been through Ōtautahi University and also through Ora Hauora.
Ora Hauora has supported me right through my journey from the beginning actually, when I didn't really know what to do when I was leaving school. It would have been about year 12 when they came to my kura actually and did a bit of a health expo like today. And I guess from there I took one of their business cards and got in touch with them and do a bit of a introduction to health careers. So I got pretty immersed in, and that was in year 12. I met a young Māori doctor there and a young medical student there who, they were like me. They looked like me. They, came from where I came from. So from there, I've kind of followed in their path.
The best thing about today has been just getting to learn about all the options that I could possibly take, where I could go, and yeah, it was pretty fun. And it was really cool for whakawhanaunga.
So what sort of support can we offer our students? It really is varied and it's up to them, and that is, we try and tailor it to what their needs are. So sometimes that is around subject choices, sometimes it is around helping support their whānau so their whānau have a better understanding of what the health sector looks like. So really it is to meet whatever their needs are. We will walk alongside them on their journey into the health sector.
Don't let anybody tell you can't do something. I had that in school when I was at high school. Had a lot of, people put barriers in my way when in reality, you can, if you look over them, you look above that wall, it's 100% possible. So yeah, don't let anybody tell you can't do something.
You can register for Ora Hauora online or contact one of our regional coordinators at www.kiorahauora.co.nz.